You gonna say it?
No.
Alright. Yo, what's up? It's your boy. It's the boy. It's that boy named Dyna. Back at it again with another video. And I have another special guest. He's probably my first guest of this whole year. But today's a special day. Today is Percy's 6th birthday. Woo! Happy birthday, boy.
Happy birthday.
So, yeah. Percy's been bugging me since our first video to do another video. And I asked him what he wanted to do. He wanted to do sausage and macaroni and cheese. He picked up mac and cheese when he went to Winkle's with his mama and his auntie. And he was like, "Auntie, look, macaroni and cheese." So we're gonna do macaroni and cheese and sausage with rice. Hey, okay. And yeah, we're gonna, before we start, we're gonna bless the food and then we're gonna get it cracking. Alright? Bow your head. You gonna pray or I'm gonna pray?
You want to play?
Okay. Close your eyes.
Because that's my play.
Okay, close your eyes. Thank you, Jesus, for this food. Bless this food. Make it nourishing to our body. In your mighty precious name. Bless Percy with with more years to come. Thank you for adding another year to his life. In Jesus' mighty name. Amen. Amen.
Amen.
Okay. All right. So yeah, it's Saturday. It's Percy's birthday. And we figure that we do this video before we start our hectic day because our day is kind of hectic today. Get in the video, boo! You wanted this, okay? So we're gonna, I'll put the mac and cheese by him because he says, "I want the mac and cheese by me." Okay, so we're just gonna eat out of the bowls and plates that we have. Oh, sorry. Come on. You said you're hungry. Here, grab your little fork. Okay, we're gonna do a thumbnail. Okay. Open. he's not biting it. All right. So, Percy, because my viewers are gonna be asking, how old are you? Okay, I mean, how old are you, Percy? You already said in the beginning, but how old are you, Percy?
I am
He's 6.
good. That's good. I'm gonna take you with the wife.
Okay. So, our first video that we did mac and cheese with the sausages. The sausages we grilled in a pan, but this time we actually baked it and it's way better. It tastes way better.
Okay. This is good.
Taste it. It's way better. Thank you.
This is way better.
Yo, jack cream. Yeah. How's the mac and cheese, boy? How's the mac and cheese?
And the rice too.
So the mac and cheese, the regular box Kraft macaroni and cheese, this time I actually did on the stove. I added some grated sharp cheddar to the mix, so it looks
I want some water.
Oh, you want some water?
Mom. Yeah. Can you make some
So,
water?
the person that he's calling just celebrated a birthday yesterday. So, I don't know what these birthday goons are gonna do today. God dang, boy. Do you want sausage? No? You just want the mac and cheese? Okay. Happy birthday to this lady right here. And Percy's grandma. Yo, can you like turn your song down? So, a year ago, I recorded a video at Chuck E. Cheese for this guy's birthday, and he didn't even know it. He's been watching my video, but he's like, whose birthday was that? I told him it was him. He was like, oh, that's me, that's me. So I figured I'd do another video. It's not chuck E. Cheese, but hey, we got mac and cheese. It's good enough, y'all. Alright. Look, get him. Yo, but this sausage is really good. It's better baked. Oh. Mmm. Mmm.
Good.
So, Percy, how do you spell your name?
P-E-R-C-Y.
Mmm.
Pussy.
Okay, spelling bee. How do you spell Destin?
I don't know.
But you know how to read it off of a phone. So his dad, or his mom was calling, and you hear the vibrations on the phone. And he's like, his mama was like, who's calling? He said, Destin. Like, how you know how to read your dad's name, but you don't know how to spell it?
Let's start with the D.
Oh yeah. And what else? What's the next letter?
Hey, is that marshmallows? Is that marshmallows?
That's what is the other team?
That is
Uncle.
candles.
No.
Oh, inside? I don't know.
No, Dad. Is that marshmallow up there?
I have no idea. Maybe.
What is the other team?
I don't think
What other team?
marshmallow.
Wall up to where?
Ah.
Right there?
I don't know. Put away the
Yeah.
I'm really enjoying this. This is really good.
This is really.
Really yummy. Huh. Okay, mac and cheese with rice. Mmm.
No mac and cheese.
Sir, did you just do mac and cheese rice, mac and cheese rice? Game changer. Mmm. So, Percy, what do you want to do today? Thank you, Percy.
Going to my birthday.
You want to go to your birthday?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, I'm going to ask you some personal questions, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Percy. What do you want to be when you grow older?
Like Junior.
You want to be like Junior? You want to be like Junior? Who's Junior?
No, the other Junior.
Yeah, what you?
Uncle Junior? Downstairs, Junior?
Huh?
Junior downstairs?
Yeah, but he's not here.
Why do you want to be like Junior? What does Junior do that you want to do?
You want to be like me?
No.
That's fine.
No, thank you.
Alright, Laurent.
Okay, I will be like you.
No, it's too late.
Be like who?
And who? You want to be like me?
Mm-hmm.
Why do you want to be like... No, you tell me why you want to be like Junior first.
Fine, I will be like Timmy.
Hmm?
I will be like Timmy.
Like Timmy.
Why wouldn't? So random.
Hmm? Why you want to be like Junior?
Because
What?
I like him.
Mm.
And I like Timmy too.
Oh, you like Uncle Junior and Timmy?
Hmm?
You like Uncle Junior and Timmy?
Yeah.
Mm.
I want to choose Timmy.
Why?
Because I want to be like him.
You want to be like Timmy? Oh my God. Bruh, I'm dead.
Percy, you don't want to be my daddy?
You don't want to be like Dada?
Fine, I will be like him.
Why?
He doesn't know what he wants.
Because Daddy's a gangster, huh? Where you from? Where you from?
From America.
What he said? He said,
He said I'm from America.
What you feel like? I'm American.
yes, you are.
Mom.
What?
Can you
Oh
give
my
me-
God.
Can you give
Well,
me
we,
that?
wait, no, we'll eat it later. I got better marshmallows in the room.
Where?
In the room.
Can you? I want some.
Yeah, we'll get some if you sit down good and answer my questions. My questions aren't done. My
But
questions aren't
I'm
on.
full.
Boy, we got this big old bowl of mac and cheese. You need to finish.
No, I'm not.
You gonna give it to Auntie Wilma? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what do you want to do when you grow older?
I'm gonna be like my dad.
Oh, now
What does your dad do?
He go to work.
What kind of work?
Him job.
Him job. I know, but what does your dad do for a job?
I don't know.
Okay. What does your mom do?
Huh?
What about your mom? What does your mom do?
Her don't have no work now
Right.
because her don't go to work. Her only stay home.
What does she do at home?
Does she
Not-
watch
not-
you guys?
Yeah.
Percy,
Yeah.
and what is Mama? Are you having a sibling?
And sibling.
Are you guys having another baby?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Having another your baby.
You want a boy or you want a brother or
You want
sister?
a brother or sister?
I want a boy again.
Oh, you want another boy? Damn!
Yeah, because I have one boy.
And you don't want another Priya?
Wait, another. I want a sister baby, and I want a sister.
A
brother.
sister?
Oh, you want a
I
sister?
want- I want two babies.
You want 2 more babies?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll just do this.
Okay. Open up. Open up.
Oh,
Open up. I'm not gonna do a lot. Only a little. Only a little bit. So Percy, this fool wanted hot chocolate this morning, right? So his mama put whipped cream on it. As soon as the whipped cream was done, his lip touched the hot chocolate and it was hot. He's like, "Can I get a cup of whipped cream?" So come on.
Oh.
I'm gonna put a little bit. Come on. Show it for the people. Ooh, eat it. It's only a little bit. Eat it. Happy birthday. Birthday shots. Percy, you forgot to tell them to subscribe to my video. Tell them. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my uncle's video.
Hey, and don't subscribe to my uncle's video.
Are you leaving me?
No, I just want to jump.
Hey, you want to jump? Do you want more whipped cream or do you want more mac and cheese?
No more work to.
More whipped cream.
I would do it. I would do it.
Come on. Up, you gotta go up more. You just got air. Go up like this. Look. Up. They can't go all up. Yeah, like that.
There.
That's enough.
You're a dork. Alright. We're getting whipped cream wasted and mac and cheese wasted as well.
What
Are you
happened?
done?
No,
What,
but
what happened? What do you want these people to know about you?
no. What happened if I get this? What happened if I get this and you put it in here?
I don't know. Do you want to try it?
Let's
You want to try whipped cream with mac and cheese?
Percy,
Huh?
Sure.
We'll try it. You want me to try it?
Yeah. Yeah, I can do it.
Me and you gonna do it. Grab your fork.
Oh. It's like,
Grab some mac and cheese. Hurry up. I'm gonna. If I do it, you have to do it too.
okay. If it be good, I will taste it. If it don't be bad, I will not taste it.
We both have to do it.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me wait. Hold on. Let me fix it for you. All right. We over here doing challenges. You know we're making up challenges right now. All right.
When,
I'm just gonna put a little bit, okay?
okay.
Here.
Hold it. Don't eat it yet.
Okay, you have to do yours.
Duh.
Okay, can we eat it? Oh!
Wait. Get ready. All right. Here it is. Get ready. 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
It's not bad.
it's not bad.
Percy, do you still want eggs?
It's not bad at all.
No.
No?
Mmm. Okay. What does it taste like?
Good.
Good.
Here,
Like mom.
sit down.
And
So,
look at what we got here.
look at what we got here. You're a natural.
Show everybody.
All right. So,
No, don't get too close.
we got we got an additional item added to our menu today. He got some scrambled eggs.
I want to do it again.
Okay.
No, not the egg. Not this. Only on my mouth.
Okay. One more before the eggs, okay? Happy birthday! Woo! Okay, that's it.
Oh, oh,
Eat it. Hurry up, Julio. All right.
Show me, please. The food's ready.
All right. Gonna be blocked. Eat that. Wait, Daggy couldn't make her wait, so she had to watch the camera.
Tell Dream. Dream.
All right, we're gonna do a pause. So,
No. I'll just wait after.
Tell Dream.
Wait.
He's eating too.
what time is it? Oh, we're in 17 minutes. Come on, we need at least 20 minutes. Okay.
Oh my.
Okay. What questions do you have for the viewers? You gotta make sure all your family watches this video and subscribes to this channel, okay? So they can see all our whipped cream and mac and cheese challenges. Okay?
I want soda.
You saw them? Alright,
Mac.
smile.
I did not eat my whipped cream.
Okay. Let's do the mac and cheese whipped cream again. And then
What?
let's take a picture of it. It's gonna be
And how about the egg too?
no, you don't do the eggs.
It's going to be bad.
I don't know. Look. I do like that.
Damn, we doubled.
Here.
How did we double like this?
Look. Did you want some on you gonna try it with me too?
That's
Okay, wait.
November to...
I can.
Okay.
I can.
Okay.
Can y'all keep y'all little comments and wait till the video is over?
Huh?
Just a little.
November.
There. Okay.
Ooh.
Hold, okay, hold it. Hold it up to the camera like this.
To January?
Hold it. Hold it up to the camera. Now smile. Okay. This is gonna be our real thumbnail, okay? Go.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. It's okay, it's not that bad. Face is so ugly.
Is it good?
Just act like a little sweetness.
I want to get whipped cream by myself.
Oh, do you now?
Uncle Dyna,
Yeah.
you are finishing off the whites.
I know, but you're not eating anything. How's your eggs?
Good. Mom, I want some more eggs. It's not,
Finish that first.
but I want a lot of them.
You want a lot of eggs?
I feel like I've seen this house.
How much eggs do you think you can eat?
1 million.
1 million eggs?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna do a challenge next week, okay?
Wait, what challenge?
We're gonna make a video to see how much boiled eggs we can eat, okay?
Like a lot of them?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I can't eat that much.
You just said you can eat 1 million eggs!
Okay, fine, I'll eat a lot of them.
You gotta,
And you too.
yeah, me and you! We'll do
And Auntie Lima too, and the mom too.
yeah, we'll see how much boiled eggs we can eat, okay?
And now we'll go to the bathroom and And I will pee.
Yeah, right. You'll be doing a lot more than.
Poop too.
Yeah, you're gonna poop already. Dude, you have any friends that watch YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
Like who? Name all your friends that watch YouTube.
Priya, Peyton. I
Are those your only friends? You don't have no other friends?
No, I only have those ones.
You don't have no friends at school?
Well, they don't come to our house.
Oh,
And we was at home and my mom say, I don't want no one to come in our house
why?
because
Why?
because they might get a junk.
I mean,
No, they would get a junk. They would get a junk because people like junk drink.
oh. I know. Don't say it. Don't say it. I understand everything he's saying. Oh my god, boy, you just spilling tea on this channel. You spilling tea right now.
Different kinds
No,
of cake.
you.
Oh my god. Wait. So you heard it here. Do not go to Percy's house, okay? Because you might get junk. Oh my god. Come on, kids say the darndest things.
I'm gonna
Man.
watch
You
it.
need to go on that show.
Uncle,
Hey, if Tiffany Haddish, if you see this,
Uncle, watch this.
put him on your show.
Uncle, watch this.
Eat it. Full? Oh my god.
Cool.
Oh, I am full. I'm getting full right now. Are we gonna end the video?
Huh?
Are we ending it?
It was anyway.
Are we finishing the video? Do you have any more interesting things or facts you wanna let the viewers know about? Alright, he's drinking. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so you wanna say bye?
I'm still hungry, but I want the marshmallows.
Marshmallow.
I want the marshmallow with cream.
With Squeam? You want some marshmallows with Squeam?
What's caca?
Stop. Alright, Percy, we're gonna sign out. Do you want me to eat the marshmallows right now and then you can eat it on camera and then we can end it?
No.
Ah. That didn't hurt.
I know. He's just strong. Okay, we'll eat the marshmallows off the camera, okay? Alright. We're gonna end it here. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to your boy.
Your boy
Let your
named
mom.
Dyna.
Yeah, let your mom, your dad,
And
Yeah.
your boy named Dyna.
your mom, your dad, your grandpa, your grandma, your auntie, your uncle,
And
and your cousin. And you.
And you.
Let them know to
And-
subscribe to my channel, okay?
And you too.
Yeah, me too. I'm already subscribed to my channel. I don't know how, but I will. But yeah, we'll be back
And Sunday.
later.
And
One of these days, we'll be back again with another video. Happy birthday again to this big head.
Why is he big head?
Because you got a big head.
You have a big head. You big it out.
Oh my god. Okay, catch you guys on the next video. Until next time. And we're out. We're out. Okay. Bye, y'all.
Oi!
Goodbye.